व्यवहारांना चालना देण्यासाठी ग्राहकांसाठी लकी ग्राहक तर व्यापाऱ्यांसाठी डिजिधन योजना सुरू करण्यात आली आहे। या योजनेचा शानदार शुभारंभ बुधवारी संरक्षण मंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकर यांच्या हस्ते करण्यात आला। यावेळी आयुष मंत्री श्रीपाद नाईक, मुख्यमंत्री पार्सेकर, मुख्य सचिव आर.के. श्रीवास्तव आदि मान्यवर उपस्थित होते।
हम जो ट्रांजैक्शन करते थे वो सब 80% ट्रांजैक्शन वो कैश में था। कम से कम पर्सनल यूज के लिए हम नोटों का ही, पैसों का ही ट्रांजैक्शन करते थे। लेकिन आज जो कुछ थोड़ी कठिनाइयां आई है, जब नोट बैन का जो विषय माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने किया और इसके कारण आप लोग सब जानते हैं, तो इसके लिए जो कुछ कठिनाइयां हमारे सामने है उसको पार करने के लिए बहुत से केंद्र सरकार ने इनिशिएटिव लिए थे। जनधन अकाउंट, कम से कम 25 करोड़ जनधन अकाउंट यहाँ प्रधानमंत्री जी के कहने से हमारे देश में खुले हो गए।
I would say that this is just a beginning towards a cashless society. Cashless does not mean there is no cash. It is basically a less cash society where society starts using digital payment mechanism for its day-to-day need, thereby capturing most of the transaction through official channels. Excessive cash supply, particularly in bigger denominations, actually enhances or supports most of the irregular activities like crime, drug, and many other activities which are basically tax evaded activities. And therefore any country's health, economic health, improves if the country start transacting through digital mode. There's few Scandinavian countries and others who have European countries which has already shown the way.
Important initiative, and by now people across the state have started accepting digital transaction, and digital transactions are going on very well in the state. As Goans, I would feel that on one side, when we are being titled 1 by a magazine like India Today, I think we also need to be number 1 even in this aspect.
पणजीतील आयनॉक्स कोर्टयार्ड मध्ये झालेल्या या कार्यक्रमात डिजिधन मेळाव्याचेही उद्घाटन करण्यात आलं। या मेळाव्यात विविध बँकेचे प्रदर्शन कक्ष असून या कक्षांवर ग्राहकांना डिजिटल व्यवहार कसा करावा याचे धडे देण्यात आलेत। यामध्ये रोटरी क्लबनेही वेगळा कक्ष उभारून ग्राहकांचे प्रबोधन सुरू केले।
Hi, I am Rotarian Raja Melwani, the president of Rotary Club of Panji Riviera. We are partners here with the government for organizing this cashless, and we totally support this cause of having the digital a cashless society. We at Rotary Club of Panji Riviera, being associated with this project, we are running all the competitions, the contest over here for drawing competition, poster making, jingle making and slogan making, and wishing the event great success.
IDFC Bank has developed this merchant pay app, wherein a merchant which is onboarded with IDFC Bank can go for payments cashless. So customer, basic principle is customer will come whose Aadhaar is linked to his bank account. So he will enter the Aadhaar number and authenticate using his biometric. As soon as he or she authenticates his Aadhaar, so the commodity price will be debited from his account and will be credited to the merchant's account.
Reliance Jio is the first digital company. It has solution for all from eKYC to Jio Money. Okay, and I will explain you eKYC process. We just need your Aadhaar card number and you can take SIM within 5 minutes.
दरम्यान डिजिधन मेळाव्यापूर्वी झालेल्या पत्रकार परिषदेत डिजिधन योजनेमुळे अर्थव्यवस्था स्वच्छ आणि सक्षम होईल, गुन्हेगारीला चाप बसेल आणि कर व्यवस्था मजबूत होईल असा विश्वास संरक्षण मंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकर यांनी व्यक्त केलाय. यावेळी प्रशासकीय अधिकारीही उपस्थित होते.
As far as cybercrime is concerned, all these payment mechanisms are very secure. But cybercrime cannot be mixed with payment mechanism. For example, cybercrime can happen even if you don't pay it through digital. A simple concept is if you keep your data of your bank account and code numbers on the computer, it can be hacked, and there are a number of cases where money has been transacted also. So cybercrime is a different issue, not necessarily linked with data card. If a person is not comfortable, he can always use a debit card in a particular payment account which need not hold all his savings or all his deposits. They can be delinked. That's why I said a prepaid debit card, at the most the amount lost is like money. You lose the money on the